Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know, about 2 weeks. I'm finally back. Well, I've been back from my week vacation and I took a little extra week. I just need to organize my thoughts, my videos, everything. I just have a mountain of video ideas and videos that I want to do for you guys. I also had a lot of packages from when I came back, which I wanted those packages before I left on vacation, but I got them as I was over there away. So that made it for haul time. Huge haul. Let's get started because I know I'm gonna ramble away. Before I left, I needed to go stock up on lash glue and a pair of lashes that are my favorite, and I also needed to buy a palette because I have an upcoming dupe video, and I went to my favorite beauty store that's near where I live, but they also have a lot of their products available online, and it's Forever Beauty. I will link their page and Instagram down below so you guys can check them out. If you're looking for any Pinky Rose products, any crown brushes, they have a lot of JCat Beauty, LA Girls, LA Colors. They also have a lot of Beauty Creations palettes, all the glittery ones, those freaking beautiful ones. You can find them there. They just have so much amazing products, so check them out and follow them. I will link their Instagram as well. They always have a lot of stuff, and they always have a lot of cocoa lashes in stock, which is why I love going there. I love picking up my favorite cocoa lashes, which are in the style Queen Bee, and that's actually what I went to pick up for my trip, which I didn't even end up using them. I used my other ones because, you know, it was just rush, but yeah. And I also picked up my favorite lash glue, which is a duo lash glue, and it has a little brush tip so it can be easier to apply to the lashes. And I picked up the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette because I also picked up the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and if you've been seeing all this around Instagram and YouTube, it's a dupe for that palette. Or shall I say, is the Huda Beauty a dupe for this one because this one came out first? But we will talk all about that in that video. So I placed a ColourPop order because I saw the Bretman Rock collection came out, and I was only intrigued by one thing, which was a lit palette, which looks like this. Super cute, but I mean, you guys can tell right now once I show it to you guys why it was the only thing that intrigued me. Look at those colors. It's actually what's on my eyes today. I love the color Period. I hope that's how you say it. Period with a T. So that's the color that's all over my crease. I just really like this palette. It's very compact. It reminds me a lot of the Yes Please, but the colors are a tad bit different. And I did a full face using only ColourPop products, which I was so proud, and I have been wanting to do one of those videos. I will link it down below if you haven't seen it. And that's why I ordered that palette. I wanted to use a new palette. And then I also purchased a few things that I didn't have, like a primer. You guys know I'm all about the Benefit Professional, but I know a lot of people don't like that primer or don't want to shell out $30, and I need to recommend other primers. So I got an affordable one, which is the one from ColourPop, and it's a matte blur primer, and it's the all-star one. The packaging is so cute. It's like a baby pink. So I got that and a setting spray, which I had ran out of mine, so I wanted to buy a new one, and I was like, let me try this one. And this is the all-star face setting spray, and it's also like the matte blur type of deal. Super cute. And lastly, I picked up the No Filter foundation stick because I don't know, I want to try foundation stick again. I don't know if it's my color, but let me know if you guys want to see a review on this foundation. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews, so I'm very intrigued to try it as well. Moving on to the first Sephora order, I bought the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I took this one on my trip so I can try it out. I feel like I didn't try it out enough, which is why I've been using it this past week, trying it out compared to the other one to see what the hype is all about, the dupe, see all that jazz. But yeah, it's a really pretty palette. And then I also picked up the Ole Henriksen 3 Little Wonders set, and this is skincare. I love their, what is it called? Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. That's my go-to moisturizer and the only moisturizer I use because I'm just obsessed with what it does to my skin. So I wanted to try the Truth Serum and then the Invigorating Night Transforming Gel. I've tried that already and I love it as well. So I bought this, I think this was like 25 bucks, and I wanted to try the other two and I was like, perfect. It has like a little travel moisturizer. I also got the Huda Beauty Concealer. I know, I fall into the hype of Huda Beauty, and I got mine in the color Coconut Flakes, and surprisingly, I have been liking it so far. I've been trying it out. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because it's I would say it's a thicker consistency type of concealer, and it's out of a little squeeze tube, not like a little applicator. It's different, but so far so good. Now I wanted to try this powder, but I honestly didn't want to shell out the money for it. So I saw that they had a smaller size of it, and it's the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Now I wish I would have bought the bigger size because I've tried it. Like, the hype is real. It is really, really good. But I am glad I bought the $18 one or $26 one because I have a bunch of other loose powders right now. And then I got a free, for 100 points, NARS liquid lipstick, little sample trial size. I'm so happy I chose this because I've been wanting to try their liquid lipsticks, and now I feel like I'm hooked on them. I really, really like the formula, and I want to buy the full-size ones now. I want a deep color, like a deep wine color. The formula, I would say, is different than my typical liquid lipsticks, but it's really, really good. Moving on, I also placed a Juno&Co order. You guys know the microfiber velvet sponge. Yeah, you know I'm obsessed with it, so I bought 4 of them because I need them in my life. I wanted to have a backup for my backup for my backup. So they had like a little set for $20. They had 4, and then I bought their cleanser as well because my logic is like Beauty Blender made their sponge and then they made their cleanser, which cleans their sponge amazingly. So it kind of is the same logic. Like, they have their own unique sponge, and I feel like the cleanser will clean their sponge really, really good. Not that anything else that I've tried hasn't cleaned it, but I just feel like this is specific for it. You know, I just wanted to buy it and try it out and see. So yeah, I got 4 of them. I'm a happy camper now. And then the little cleanser. I also placed a Morphe order. I wanted the James Charles palette, and I also bought a little set of glitter liquid eyeshadow glitters, and it's a little set. It was only $10 for this set, which I feel like is a great price. I think I got use the coupon code, or it's like $12 and I got it $2 off. But it's the metallic eyeshadow, and they're just so freaking pretty. I don't own any like black liquid eyeshadow, but I figured it would be good for this time, and then the other colors are like basic colors. I just wanted to try them, and I felt like this trio was perfect. I get to try 3 different colors for only 10 bucks. Now on to what I wanted to order, the James Charles palette. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot even believe how big this palette is. That's what she said. I have such a dirty mind, I swear. But this palette is ginormous. I thought it was going to be way smaller. Let me show you. Comparison to the Huda Beauty palette. If you know how big the Huda Beauty palette is, look at how big this is. It's ginormous to me. It's ginormous. Let me show you the inside, which I'm pretty sure you guys have all seen the inside. But I just feel like this is such a perfect palette, especially if you're getting into makeup. Like, you just have everything you could want in this palette, and you can need to create 100 different looks. It has your warm neutrals. I love that they have these basic shades in the middle that are bigger, and then you have all your fun colors. I love the aesthetic of it, how they place the colors, how it's not all jumbled up, like the colors with, you know, just all jumbled up. The aesthetic of it just makes it even more pleasing to the eye for me, and makes me want to use it even more. So I'm excited to do looks for you guys with this. Last Sephora order. Let me pick it up because... Okay, I told you guys that last month I think I got a little sample of the what is it called? The Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome. Oh yeah, it's right here. For $20. I got this little set. The mascara itself I think is like $20. So this little set was $20 for, and it had that, what is it called? The makeup remover from Lancome, which I've never tried, but I feel like it's always good to have like these little makeup removers because I use makeup wipes, but sometimes when I just want to remove a little bit of makeup from my eyes, this is perfect. And look at how cute. It looks like a little candy, a little gift. It's just so cute. And the price was perfect since I already wanted that mascara. That's how much I liked it. And then this. Okay, let me show you the first one because I know I fall into the hype. I fell into the hype. I got the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Filter Finish Protective Primer. I have just heard so much rave about this product that I was like, I need to try it out for myself to really see if it's really good. I know it was expensive, but I think if I remember correctly, I think this is when I bought it during the VIB sale, so I didn't feel that bad buying it. But I mean, it's so pretty though. Like, it's huge. Again, that's what she said. I thought it was much smaller. I need to get my mind out of the gutter. But it just looks like a balm to me, and I guess you put that on. It has like a little scooper thing, which I'm going to use so I won't gash my nails into it. But let me know if you guys want a review, a very honest review on how this works, if it works, if it's worth the hype, because yeah, I was intrigued. And then lastly, I got this, and if I'm completely honest, I fell in love with the bag, and that's what made me want to buy it. So I did want to try this brand, which is the Glow Recipe brand, and I wanted to try some of their products. Now the moisturizer looks very intriguing to me, and the sleeping mask, and then it has another jelly mask back there. I love watermelon scented things, watermelon fruit, watermelon candy. I think my favorite fruit might be watermelon, but it's not like aesthetically pleasing like a pineapple. Like, you know, if you want to decorate with watermelons, I feel like it's not the same as a pineapple. Anyways, moving on from that. Yeah, I bought this. It was only 40 bucks, which I thought it was a really good deal because you get that mask, you get the moisturizer and another little mask. And the best thing is you get the little bag, which I'm so annoying. But I wanted this bag. I've been looking for one, like for it to be like my actual daily purse. But obviously, I mean, I need a bigger one than this one. This one's just going to serve as a background piece and Instagram aesthetics. And that's basically it. But it's so cute. Super, super cute. And then I don't know if I should include this or wait for like my fashion haul. But I'm going to include it anyways because Jaclyn Hill is part of the beauty community. She did a collaboration with Key. And I have another pair of Key glasses, and I actually really like the quality of them. I feel like they're good quality sunglasses, and she did a collaboration with them, and I was very, very into the style of her glasses. And I was also very, very into this little case that she came out with. It's kind of like the same vibe as her makeup brush case, which I have honestly been wanting to buy. And I'm definitely going to invest in one of those because my cousin, she has like the same Morphe case before, like they put it out with Jaclyn Hill, and it's really, really good. So sure, I need to buy that case if you're watching. Now this one is the same vibe. As you can see, you open it up and you can put 4 glasses. So I can put all 3 of my glasses, and then I'll be needing another pair of glasses. But there's another style from her collection that I really like as well. So I might be picking that up. But look at how cute it closes up. I don't know, I like it a lot. I loved it. I fell for it. And right here in gold, very small gold detail, it says Key Australia times Jaclyn Hill. So that's one of the things I purchased. And then 2 of the glasses. And then I had a coupon code. I forgot what it was, but the little chain that they were promoting with her sunglasses, I loved it, and I want to wear it with my sunglasses as well. I mean, it came out, but it's a little chain that goes around the glasses and just looks super cute and super extra. So I got this for free. It was still in my cart. I was still gonna buy it, but then I saw that there was that coupon code. Now let me show you the glasses. Another thing I fell in love with was the fact that look at the cases for the glasses. So when you want to wear them and take them out and, you know, put them in your purse, they look super, super cute. And how fabulous does this look when you pull it out of your purse? Like, you know, this little case just looks so cute. This first style, this is new to me. Like, I would have never bought this style of sunglass, but I saw it on her and it looks so good, and it's kind of like that Mean Girls, like I saw her wearing it, so I'm gonna wear it. So this little side is crooked because it's squishing it, but I love how they look. And I was like, I don't think I'm gonna look good in those type of sunglasses, but you know what, they look fabulous. So this is a first style, and they have a tortoiseshell one too, the color. Kind of want that one because she just looks so good in it. I was like, maybe I'll look so good in it too. And then this one is I know the name of this one because this is the one I was on ASAP, and this is a style Roxanne. And the difference is they're like aviators, but the difference is that they have the little studs, the gold studs on the end. And I think they had different shades of these, which the ones that I liked, the other shade was like the pink one. But look at how cute this one looks. I love the aviator style for my face personally, and I just feel like these look fabulous. Fabulous. I love it. So yeah, that was the other purchase that I did. That's basically it. I'm finally done. Thank you guys so much for staying, not leaving me while I was off for 2 weeks. Also, I want to let you guys know that I am doing Vlogmas on my vlog channel with my girlfriend. So I will have the link to that down below if you guys want to check us out and subscribe to our vlog channel. I have been having so much fun doing Vlogmas. It's our first year, and I'm just trying to get into the swing of vlogging every day and remembering to vlog. But yeah, it's been so much fun. So check us out over there. Link in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for all your support. And like always, now I can say I will see you all in my next video. Bye.